name is Allison Bohall, and I'm a second-year undergraduate student studying public health and biology on the genetics and biotech track. I did my experiential learning back home in Chautauqua County in New York with our county's not-for-profit public health organization known as Chautauqua Health Network. With the Dental Connect program, I worked on creating modules for students that would supplement their hands-on experience in the dentist offices. And the end goal of this entire project was to bring these students back to Chautauqua County once they completed their dental schooling elsewhere so we can alleviate the dental shortage in Chautauqua County. It really ignited the fire that I want to continue with public health in my master's program. I think it'll really supplement what I want to do, which is be a genetic counselor, so I can still be involved with outreach and educating the public.